Hey, quick question. How many times have you scrambled to find a video calling before a meeting? If that sounds familiar, you might want to stick around because I'm about to show you a smarter way to handle meeting inside Odoo itself. This is the appointment Jitsi Odoo. It plugs Jitsi video calls right into your Odoo appointments. Meaning, no more juggling apps or digging through emails for meeting link. Everything you need is right there when you schedule it. Imagine this. Your client books a meeting, and automatically a video calling is created and sent out. You just need to show up, click the link inside Odoo, and boom, meeting start. No extra steps, no confusion, just a smooth connection every single time. Let me show you how it works. Let's jump into the Odoo App Store and install Appointment Jitsi by Doodex. Once it's installed, head back to your Odoo, then go to Settings. On the sidebar, click Calendars and just check the box for Jitsi configuration to activate it. Now, let's open the calendar module. Let's say you have a meeting with a client. You just need to click New and fill in the event details. Add the meeting subject, pick the date, and don't forget to add your attendees. It could be your client, your stakeholder, or anyone involved. Once you create an appointment and select the appointment type, the module automatically generates a Jitsi meeting link. That link gets included in the invitation you send to all your attendees. And when it's time to join, you simply click to join right from your Odoo calendar or appointment itself. No switching app, no searching inboxes. This might sound small, but it's a total game changer. Less hassle means better focus on what really matters, like your meeting, your client, and your business. And because it's built inside Odoo, it fits right into your existing workflow without any friction. Ready to upgrade your appointment? Just install the Appointment Jitsi from Doodex at Odoo App Store. Set it up in few minutes and you're good to go. It's free to use, easy to set up, and instantly boosts how you connect. So, why wait? Bring your appointments and video call all together today. Try Appointment Jitsi by Doodex, your Odoo meeting made effortless. And if you need setting it up, just give us a shout. If you like this video, please do subscribe and put a like on it. It really helps us make a video you like. Thank you for being part of our community. Let's make Odoo works for you.